guys, welcome to Laurie's Little Studio. I'm Laurie, and today I have this in front of me. I did go ahead and open the box. It was rather large that this, and this arrived in today. And I wanted to show you that I did find my little box that I keep my cards in. There we go. So that's where they are. I have another one and I kind of swap them back and forth. This happens to be the one that I found today. So they're safe. They're set aside. Now we're going to talk about this. What in the world is this? Well, let's start with this. I went ahead and ordered a few more organizing pieces. They're bags that, well, we'll just take a look at them. They kind of match what I already have. They're soft boxes. They're cloth boxes. So I'm going to go ahead and open this. I'm not really sure why they had to wrap it in plastic when it's tied. I mean, just the use of all this plastic is so depressing. That's what it is, I guess. I'm going to look for the recycle. Okay. So that can go in recycling if you are able to participate in recycling. All right, these are those weird plastic straps. Okay. And again, all of these items are from Amazon. I purchased myself. They're not gifted. I'm not sponsored by any of these companies. I'm not sponsored by anyone for that matter. I'm not affiliated with anyone, but these are the items that I purchased. And this is what these look like. So you open it up and there is a zipper that starts on this side right here. It's a double-headed zipper, so that you can unzip all the way around this box, like so. They are not 100% clear, but they are clear on the front. So these are the handles. They are on each side, like so. This is the front, and then you just fill it with whatever it is that you're planning to put in here. And then you zip all the way around, like from each of the sides. You can have your two zipper heads meet in the center if you want to, or just push them both off to one of the far sides. So these, I think, will work better for me in the capacity that I need them. I could even stack them on the floor if I need to. But I thought about the idea of using a bag that you can remove the air from, and I just felt like I really didn't think I would want to be constantly releasing the air with the valve, getting my items out, having them fluff back up to their normal size, and then going through that process in reverse to put it back in my closet. The items in this room get used too much for all of that. So this is what we have here. I can't seem to get far enough away. Let me move some of this. So this is a pack of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is the top. And this is the front, and you can see these little windows here will kind of help you see what's on the inside of your storage. And then each of these sides have lift handles right here. They're just little soft canvas or canvas handles. Okay, if you recall, I have these iron-on sunflowers that were in my video that I did prior to this one, in part 1. I'll link it below. These will be pillowcases. They honestly, from here, they don't really look like what I thought I was getting. I thought the black would be a little bit richer, but I don't think I'm going to mind too much. These will be pillowcases. They're two. It says a pack of 2, plaid, black and white, and they should be, oh dear, really? Oh, okay, yeah, they are. The tag says 8 inches by 18 inches. I think they're 18 by 18 ish, because this is actually 17 ish, and as you can see, this is not quite 18. However, I like to have the pillow really fill the pillowcase. So, and I don't mind this. I'm going to press these, and then I'm going to put a sunflower iron-on right there on both of them, and I doubt they'll match because I'm not a matchy-matchy person. So this should be warm tips. Fluffing the pillows. Please give 24 to 48 hours to the pillows to fully expand. You can leave the pillows in the sun or swat the pillows. Well, okay then. Now these 2 pillows is supposed to be 2, and they are also supposed to be 18 by 18. We'll see. The amount of tape, oh, to hold 2 pillows, my goodness. Oh. Wow. This is some heavy duty plastic. You could actually use this as garden plastic, but here we go. I'm going to zoom you in so we can watch this funny business. You have to be really careful. You don't want to cut the pillow. Just make a tiny hole. Oh my goodness gracious. Each pillow is encased in plastic. Wow. Okay. Alright, so I'm going to cut the plastic on this one. Here we go. I can see it's moving a little bit. I guess I'm swatting the pillow. All right, let's release the other pillow. Okay. So the next thing I need to do is get these pressed and figure out, now they have a zipper right there, which is, you would need to decide, do you want the zipper at the bottom or at the top? I think I would go for the bottom of each one of these. So I'm going to heat up my iron, and I think I'll just keep it on dry. I don't think it needs to be on steamy. And if it does, then of course, you know, I'll have to come back and do it. I've got a dinner to fix tonight, so I kind of need to keep in mind what time it is and where I am and all that good stuff. All right, here we go. We're going to give it a go. I do have my iron set on cotton. Okay. I'm still working on the wrinkles. There we go. Okay, now you want to dry iron, and don't forget you also will need a piece of parchment paper or some type of specialty paper that can handle being hot, like parchment paper. Make sure that you have the pillowcase oriented the way you want it. My zipper is down here. And then choose the iron-on that you would like to use. Okay, and if you're concerned about it being perfectly centered, then do your measuring. Okay, and then we cover that up, and with dry heat and pretty hot heat, I'm going to use linen, just set it and lift it. We can go over the actual iron-on, perfect, with the parchment paper. But not too long. You just kind of want to give it a quick press. And there we are. Bloom where you are planted. I'm going to let this sit for just a minute and cool off. Over there. Oh, I don't want to bend it. You don't want it bent while it's trying to cool. All right, now we're going to do this one. Love Home Sunflower. I think I'm going to use that one. It's a unique enough little saying. And I'm going to turn it sideways, the opposite direction. So here is number 2 pillow. And you know, I was just thinking while I was doing this one, these would be really cute housewarming gifts for someone. Little things like this, kind of a thematic housewarming gift. All right, I'm gonna pop this pillowcase right in here. Now I do recommend that you not wash these pillowcases. If they need to be cleaned, just gently maybe, you know, wipe off with a damp rag or something. If they have to be washed, I would put them in a net wash bag so that the, you know, the, oh, that is just too cute. So that this is not going to get scrubbed around in the washing machine, because I don't think it could handle it. They do need to fluff a little bit more, but I think this is just too cute. All right, I'm going to In the interest of keeping my studio somewhat organized as I organize, I'm going to put this right back in the bag. That was nice to find that all together in one place, I'll be honest. Absolutely. All right, let's do the other one. Oh, I let it fold. Darn it. Not a good idea. Maybe I just, oh, it's still warm. I can kind of press it out like that. All right, and I am going to be using these on my sofa in my living room, just as a little kind of a bridge in between summer and, you know, the winter months. All right. So here they are. Bloom where you're planted. Thank goodness there's an apostrophe there. And love home sunflower. I mean, why not, right? Hear me out. I think these will be cute on my sofa, and they're just casual enough that they'll get us through until the holidays. They look a little, you know, autumny, but we are on the very last few days of August, so September, I think it's a perfect little bridge. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next video where we will be doing a big cleanup. Bye.